Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create wallpapers from existing photos. So One UI 7.0 has a built-in tool that lets you instantly turn any photo into a home or lock screen wallpaper. So you can go ahead and crop, adjust colors, apply filters, or even add the depth effect so the icon stands out. However, on your Samsung Galaxy device, you can go ahead and do one further. So here is an example. I want to go ahead and apply this as my wallpaper. However, there is a MacBook right in the middle of the wallpaper. So I can go ahead and use generative edit to remove that and create a wallpaper. So let me show you how to do this. So here we'll go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI. Now we'll go ahead and draw around this laptop. Now we'll go ahead and ask AI to remove that object and then tap on generate. This will now fill in all the blanks. So this is what it looked like originally and this is what it is now. We'll tap on save copy. And now that wallpaper has been created. So I can go ahead and tap on the three dots, tap on set as wallpaper, and set as my wallpaper for my lock screen and home screen. So your phone becomes a canvas for creativity. So instead of scrolling through generic wallpaper apps, you can use your own memories, a vacation photo, family portrait, or even a picture from the internet as your stylish backdrop. So it not only makes your phone more personal, but also gives you a small boost of positivity every time you unlock your device. So there you go guys, that is how to create wallpapers from existing photos on your Samsung Galaxy device.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.